In a world filled with wonder and magic, there lived a friendly creature named Graphorn. Graphorn was unlike any other, for he had the body of a giraffe and the horns of a rhino. He lived in a beautiful forest, where the leaves were as green as emeralds, and the trees stretched high into the sky like tall giants. One day, Graphorn felt a strange sensation. It was as if he could hear a whisper in the wind. The whisper told him about a hidden treasure deep within the forest. Intrigued, Graphorn decided to embark on an adventure to find this mysterious treasure. As he ventured deeper into the forest, Graphorn met many fascinating creatures. There was a wise old owl who shared stories of the forest's past, a playful squirrel who showed Graphorn the shortcuts, and a kind deer who offered him a ride on its back. The journey was filled with laughter and excitement. Graphorn learned that every creature in the forest had something special to share. He discovered that even the tiniest of creatures could be the kindest and the wisest. Finally, after a long day of exploration, Graphorn reached the spot where the treasure was hidden. But to his surprise, the treasure was not gold or jewels, but a small, sparkling seed. The whisper in the wind explained that this was the seed of a magic tree, which could grow and bring happiness to the entire forest. Graphorn planted the seed and watched as it grew, its branches reaching out to touch every corner of the forest. The forest became even more beautiful than before, and all the creatures celebrated the arrival of the magic tree. From that day on, Graphorn was not just a creature of wonder, but a hero who brought happiness to his friends. And whenever the wind whispered, Graphorn listened, for he knew that every whisper held a new adventure waiting to be discovered. As the sun set, Graphorn returned home, his heart filled with joy and his spirit brimming with excitement for the next adventure. He knew that no matter where he went, he would always find something new and wonderful in the magical forest. And so, he fell asleep, dreaming of the adventures that awaited him in the morning. The end.